Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my hair. I just got out of the shower. I went ahead and clarified my hair in the shower with clarifying shampoo to get all of the product out, but I am going to use a little bit of detangler or leave-in conditioner. This one is my favorite from Mizani. I love this stuff, but I'm getting really low on it, if you can tell. And my work doesn't have any more, so it's okay. I'm gonna have to do a trip to state soon and get more shampoo and conditioner, so I'll probably just try to find some of that there. But yeah, I'm very sad that I'm almost out. This has been what I've been using straight out of the shower recently. The only thing is that even with how wide the teeth are on this thing, I still feel like it snags a bit, and I really hate that feeling. Otherwise, I really like using this though. I do have a couple of extra combs. These are both really good for parting. My hair is all combed out now. What I'm going for, maybe I should have fucking told you guys that. So I talked about this in my hairstyling video that I did partnered with DEPOP. I feel like my hair is cut in a long shag, which is definitely still true, but it's super grown out and it's lost a lot of shape. I mainly feel like my problem areas are my face frame. It's just stringy, what even is that? Then my layers are pretty grown out. I get super psyched out because I feel like my layers are super short, and then I'm they need to be shorter. The most daring thing that I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take a lot more hair for my face frame and really connect it and get a little more drastic with it. And then, like I said, I'm also going to be taking my layers shorter, which will be interesting, but I trust myself. The good thing about shags is that it does not have to be perfect. So I actually did a poll on my Instagram, and I think that a lot of people didn't realize that I'm a professional and that I also have been cutting my hair forever. And as a joke, I had the no be no, you're gonna mess it up. I had people messaging me oh my god, seriously, don't mess up your hair. And I was calm down, it's a joke. Anyways, my bangs have been just not wanting to go to the front lately. I don't know why. I'm definitely gonna have to re-wet them. I don't even know how much I care to have straightforward bangs though. I like my bangs being at the length where they can go either way. They can either be in the front if I force them to, or they can kind of just do that and be more like curtain bangs. Okay, I guess let's get to sectioning my hair. Also, I don't know what it is about people in my comments telling me to wear a cape. I will not put a cape on, so please drop it. It's honestly kind of annoying. I understand with doing color, but that's why I have a t-shirt that I do color in. If you're doing a client's hair though, absolutely 100,000% use a cape. Also, I need clips. So yeah, I think, boom, right there is how I'm gonna do my face framing section. If you're a hairstylist, you already know these alligator clips are the best. So yeah, I'm going pretty much to my ear. I just remembered I really need to trim my actual length because I've been seeing a lot of split ends and it's making me very not happy. Screw it. I'm gonna start doing this whole front section and then I'll worry about the length in a bit. So what I learned about doing the face framing from an actual hairstyling tutorial was that you don't want to over direct your face frame, which is news to me because that's what I've always done cutting face frames. But yeah, this guy said do not do that because the hair doesn't fall that way, it falls straight down. Now you can see I clearly do have a face frame, but it's just so thin. So yeah, I'm just gonna say fuck it and just go for it. I'm going to start with my scissors because that's within my comfort zone. And then I'm going to go back through and finish everything with a razor just to kind of soften everything up. So I know that in the one video I was telling you guys, oh yeah, I have my friend at work cut my hair. Yeah, I do, but she's on vacation right now, and I just really wanted to, try doing this myself anyway. Well, I've at least got the top part of my face frame looking really good. I'll work on the bottom in a bit. I want to make sure I don't go too short. I'm going to go ahead and get this side. I'm attempting to do, this whole, slide technique, but to be honest, My hair is, or I mean my shears are like very dull right now, which is definitely not helping my case here. Sorry, I'm not really talking a lot. I'm so focused right now. Okay, so I actually think that is pretty good. I'm not gonna worry about the very bottom quite yet because I'm gonna need to blend that into the rest of my hair. And I'm also not gonna worry about razoring it yet. That feels better. So I do just want to say that I am like in the process of growing my hair out. So I don't want to cut like a crazy amount of length off, but I do need to take some length off because that bitch is damaged. She's dry, she's crusty. I also don't know why I have such a frog in my throat right now. It's really annoying me. So I think that like the hardest thing with doing this haircut is that you don't want to create any ledges. I've seen people who have cut their own shags and their face frame is like so choppy, it's just like dong dong. I like to just comb, I split it in the middle down the back and I comb it as flat to me as possible, and then I just I'm gonna comb it all this way, make sure it's even. Okay, one side done. Just like that, my ends feel so much better. I will say that doing this myself, no matter how hard I try, it always creates kind of a U shape. Nothing I can really do about that. I also doubt that you guys could see it in the back there because I'm wearing a dark colored shirt. Can you tell? I don't even know. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish connecting this face frame that I have right here. Get that corner out of there so there's no ledge. So now the fun part, I'm going to do my layers. So I've seen people do the technique where they take, you know, a section to do a layer and then they bring it out at like this angle and then do like the slide of the razor down, which I think could definitely work. So I'm gonna say screw it and I'm gonna go to the razor now because I really don't want to freak anything up. Oh, so really fast. I'm gonna let my bangs back down and make sure that those are even. Where the fuck? Okay, so I just do like the little triangle for my bangs and yeah, they're not even. So I'm glad I'm doing this. Like I said, I do like my bangs to be a little bit longer, so I don't want to go too crazy short, but make sure you point cut that shit. Okay, nothing drastic. Oh, kitty! Hello, don't eat my hair. That's how I do my bangs though. And then I'll usually just kind of, you know, angle it down with the face frame. So anyways, here's for the scary part. I'm honestly so terrified to do my layers right now. Okay, I'm not gonna panic. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Okay. This was seriously like the only part I was like for real worried about. Oh, that does look so nice and soft though. Okay. I'm not gonna get discouraged. I've got this. And see, as always with my layers too, if I feel like I did too bad of a job, then I will just have my friend at work fix them. Oh my god, my curls already are bouncing up so much better. That is exactly why I did this haircut. Whew, my arms are getting so tired from doing the layers right now. Now I'm gonna do that same thing with all these layers on the side. What the fuck? That looks really good. Oh yeah. Okay, I am happy with that. Actually, I'm very happy with that. That is the smoothest face frame I've ever done on myself. Are you kidding me right now? That looks so good. Okay, I feel like everything's nice and even. Oh, my hair feels lighter. It feels healthier. All right, so for doing blowouts, this bedhead after party is the best, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do one pump. Put this all throughout my hair. I know I just sprayed my hair down like 2 seconds ago, but it is still pretty. Oh my god, look at that. It looks so good. But yeah, it's still pretty, it's like damp, it's not soaked. Also, I need to show you guys how much hair is on the floor. Okay, I can't flip the camera around, so bear with me here. That's a lot. I'm gonna spray in a little bit of this Miracle Creator stuff. I don't really know exactly what it's supposed to do, but I've been using it, so. So now, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. You know what I decided? I'm gonna dry my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished result, because this is gonna take too long. Alright, y'all. I decided to straighten my hair so that I could see it dry in its full glory. And this is helping me see where I need to kind of clean it up at. So I think that, like, this area looks good. However, I am gonna need to get this angle right there a little bit better. This side's looking okay, though. Maybe just, like, a few bits right down there, but I do have a ledge, if you can see that. So there we go. So the other thing that I really want to do is I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I really want to like point cut my ends. Point cutting is something that I will say, if you are doing your own hair, please do what I'm doing right now. Do it on dry hair, not wet hair, and go in small sections like that. You want to go just straight up into the hair, because what you're doing is taking out weight and any sort of like corners or harsh lines. You don't want to take like just straight up chunks out of your hair, because that's just not gonna look good. That is so much more blended. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna do more of this back section. But also, please for the love of God, do not cut your hair with like kitchen scissors. Get actual shears that are for hair. You can get really cheap pairs at Sally's. I mean, they're not as good as like high quality professional ones, but they're definitely better than like kitchen scissors or just like all-purpose scissors that you'll have around your house, especially for point cutting. I think that's good enough. I think that looks a lot better. So once I like curl this and style it, it's gonna look a lot better for sure. I do just want to go through my layers one more time, double check how those are. I think this side is looking so good. Okay, now I'm gonna double check the layers on this side. I know a common problem when you're cutting your own hair is that you just don't know when to stop. So I'm gonna stop. Oh, my hair feels so much lighter, so much healthier. I'm very happy with this. So I'm gonna let my straightener heat back up. I'm gonna curl it now, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's completely styled. Sound good? I did it. It looks so good. So yeah, as I said, I didn't want to go crazy short. I really just wanted to kind of trim up what I had. I think it looks so cute.
Come on in, man.
How are you?
Just hanging out.
Nice.
Okay, our maintenance guy had to come change the filter really fast, but as I was saying, this is my finished hair. I am so happy. I'm so impressed with myself, honestly. I mean, I knew I could do it, but this is a slightly intimidating haircut to go into. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. I know this isn't like a crazy short shag because I didn't want to go like full on mullet. I mean, that looks really good on some girls, but I think that I would honestly have a mental breakdown if I took my hair that short. Because yeah, I'm really enjoying my hair being long. And even though I cut like a solid inch off of it, it really doesn't look that much shorter. And then I cut like 2 inches off my layers. But yeah, this is how I cut my hair. Hope that was a little helpful. I got a little scared here and there, but overall it turned out really good. So yeah, my biggest suggestions is just cut it wet, dry it, flat iron it, do any little like tweaking that you need to do, really soften the ends once it's dry using point cutting. And yeah, just overall, don't be too scared, just go for it. Make sure you have good scissors and you'll probably turn out okay. Watch some tutorials if you need to. It's really not as hard as you would expect, but then again, I am a hairstylist, so I do like know all the techniques, I know what I'm doing. But anyone who is scared for me, hopefully this reassures you that I'm good. That's really all I have. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something or just at very least enjoyed watching me fuck with my hair. Subscribe to me if you weren't already. I'm trying to upload weekly, so hit the notification bell down below so that you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.